Hello, my name is Jenny Hampshire, and this is my ATA analysis on Is Rap Finally Ready to Embrace Its Women? The article I chose was written by Brianna Younger and appeared on the New Yorker website in 2020. The author assumes that women rap can and will be just as good as male rap. Women are continuing to prove themselves and put themselves out there. The reason for thinking this started when Iggy Azalea, Nicki Minaj, and Cardi B placed their track on the top 100 this year. The rates for women rap went up, making women's rap more of a threat to male rap. Now, women's rap hasn't won yet, but they aren't backing down. They continue to push through the comments and rules so women's rap can be ahead. The author is not only talking about white women, the author is talking about all types of races and cultures around the world. Hip-hop music should not be based on the person, but the lyrics and the different aspects of it. Brianna wants everyone to know hip-hop's women are guiding us towards a genre and a world that more closely resembles the one we claim that we strive for. Women are outcasted, and this new genre is giving them a way to stand out. The youngest generation of hip-hop music, being girls, has changed rap music, making genre redefining music. They are the reason there is so much change with how women are looked upon. Social media platforms have continued to give women the opportunity to connect with their fans and show how important another genre of music is. Platforms including Twitter, Instagram, talk shows, and many more. Now, this has been my ATA analysis on Is Rap Finally Ready to Embrace Its Women? Thank you for listening.